All right, this is part 4, section 3.3. Find the absolute maximum and minimum of the graph. Give your answer as an ordered pair. Now, with the last video, I said don't always depend on these points right here to say, okay, well, that's the absolute max and absolute min. But in this case, they are the absolute max and the absolute min. Okay, so we'll say absolute max. That would be this point right here, which looks like, oops, looks like that's 7. And then 150. And then the absolute min, which is this point right here, looks like it's going to be a -7. And looks like, we'll say that's -225. Actually, that's a little bit below halfway, so let's just say 15. Now on the homework, you're going to know the points. It's not going to be as vague as this one right here. But those would be the absolute max and the absolute min for this graph.